This abstract is almost finished. I feel that maybe I need some warmer colors down in here. Every day when I finish for the day, I do my palette with wax paper on it. So I spread out, or often I will just smooth it out so that I've got paper with colors, different colors on it, whatever colors I was using, and I'll let that dry. So then when I'm considering if something would look better with a different color on it, then I can just generally tear off a piece of the paper, and sometimes even cut or shape them exactly like the space I'll put them in. So I was just wondering if this wouldn't look better if I had some more of the lighter colors. Probably not this yellow, more that orange. So this has a complementary color scheme. A lot of blues and blue grays, and then the complement is the orange. So I think complementary color schemes are difficult to do because you have to make sure that one or the other is dominant, and then you have to neutralize a lot of the colors, or often, I guess you can't ever say always, but often neutralize some of the colors so that you get a range of, for instance, the blue grays that are a mixture of both the orange and the blue to more or less harmonize the painting. So I'm using a paint shaper here and just bringing in some of the blue grays. Then I've already pre-mixed some peachy colors too, so I'm going to increase the intensity just a little bit. I want it just a little bit more intense in color than what I have. I want my oranges to be dominant, and I'm putting this paint on very loosely because I want the lower colors to show through. I just want to nudge it to a little more intense color than what I have. Just barely just a little bit darker value. So I'm using this paint shaper to apply the color and to blend it a bit. We're getting reflection on this left side. It's actually, I'm trying to show that those colors over there are actually a little bit darker than what it's showing here. The paint shapers work pretty well for applying paint where you want to scumble it on there. I'm going to work a little more of these peachy orangey colors right into the edge of these gray blues that I have up here. Maybe take out or scumble over some of these yellows and take them to more of a orangey color. I think this is a little dark right here, so I'm going to work some lighter ones right into there. I like a rich surface where you see a lot of different colors coming through from the bottom layers. And where a lot of this was applied with a brush the first time, then this will highlight the brush marks by just putting paint on the upper layers of the brush mark. I think I'll go back to that orange and intensify it a bit. See, I'm echoing that line and bringing it on down just very subtly. Maybe even bring that diagonal up just a bit, like there. Not. And perhaps bring this horizontal over a bit.